There are so many takeaways. I could write a book about I could write a cookbook about all the things I learned at culinary school. The reason I chose the Institute of Culinary Education is because I came once to do a talk, and I walked away so impressed by the faculty, the whole space, the campus, and you just have like access to this amazing program. I just thought, yes, hell yes. I was very excited and inspired to be a part of Institute of Culinary Education because it's just full of people that are curious. And I'm a really curious person too. One of the things that motivated me to go here was it's been around for 50 years. I really appreciate and value the heritage and legacy associated with something that's bigger than itself, and it's awesome. So what a great program. The other thing I've really loved about this program is like I am a working professional. Like I have a company, I have Hedley and Bennett, I have myself, I have my family, I have 2 little kids, and yet I somehow found a way to make this program work. There's night school, there's daytime, there's morning classes. Like the school really does work with you to be amenable to your life, and you can do it in as little as 8 months, which is insane and amazing. A big giant win for me is becoming a baker. I've been around for 38 years. I've been cooking for the majority of my life, and I always assumed I did not bake. And now I bake, and I'm like, wow, this is awesome. Like I changed my mind and I decided that I could do something, and now I can do it. It's crazy to say, but I actually feel like a much more confident cook because of this. Some of my proudest moments have definitely been when Martha Stewart started wearing Hedley and Bennett, joining the ranks of places like SpaceX when we started outfitting them. We outfit most of the Google headquarters, and then on the flip side, it's like seeing a line cook buy our product. That's just very special to me. I love the path that I've taken to come to culinary school because I got a flavor of what the real world looked like, and I can bring that perspective to school. In any career, no one's just gonna hand you an opportunity. You have to go out and you have to get it. A great way to do that is by studying. It's by going to school. It's by practicing. It's by showing up. Whatever path you want to take in culinary school and beyond, and in the food space, you gotta just decide, like name it, want it, and then go and get it. Don't wait around for anyone to give it to you, but starting here is a hell of a good step.